The Audi RS Q8 has always been a beast in disguise, but Mansory clearly thought it needed to shed the disguise entirely. The German tuner decided that the RS Q8's stock performance just was not loud enough visually or mechanically, so they took matters into their own hands. What came out the other side is an aggressive, ultra-powerful crossover that now leans fully into the spotlight. At its core, the Audi RS Q8 is closely related to the Lamborghini Urus, sharing the same 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine. From the factory, it produces 631 brake horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, pushing the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and up to a top speed of 190 miles per hour. For most people, that is more than enough. But Mansory is not most people. After a series of performance upgrades, including water-cooled intercoolers, bigger turbos, a sport air filter, a revised exhaust setup, and a retuned engine management system, the RS Q8 now makes a monstrous 986 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. That is more power than the Lamborghini Urus Performante and an eye-watering 355 horsepower, more than Audi's original output. The exact 0 to 60 miles per hour time was not mentioned, but with that kind of firepower, it is likely hovering around or even below the 3-second mark. Visually, there is no shortage of flair either. The entire body was overhauled with parts from Mansory's catalog. A vented hood fender flares added front and rear spoilers, a bold diffuser side skirt extensions, and a new exhaust system give the RS Q8 an even more aggressive stance. The black exterior is highlighted with vivid yellow accents that continue into the cabin, creating a cohesive theme from bumper to bumper. Step inside, and you are met with a flood of yellow. The interior features Mansory's branding on the door panels, steering wheel, headrests, and seat belts. Fine leather covers the seats and trims, and carbon fiber is used throughout. Even the push-start button has been relocated to the roof console right next to the Starlight headliner, an elegant yet flashy touch. Thankfully, Mansory stayed away from forged carbon, which often divides opinion. Despite the visual drama at the rear, the whole package still comes together nicely. It may not be subtle, but it is undoubtedly thrilling. Mansory's take on the RS Q8 is over the top in all the right ways, and surprisingly, it is something many enthusiasts would be proud to drive. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on wild builds like this one.